Alright, so I've walked closer across the line. And you can see more of the flooding. I have no idea if my voice is recording. There's so much wind and background noise. Alright, so I'm right here at the edge of the water. Wow. Alright, so this is how close the Hudson River is right now with Hoboken. It has come over. This would be one of the lower points of Hoboken. And you can see where the Hudson River and the sea kind of meet up with Hoboken. And so this is probably what, after the first high tide? It'll be like again after this, after the second high tide at 9 p.m. So Hoboken has a fancy new pump that's supposed to help pump water out of the city back into the river and ocean. But if we're this far below sea level, where is that water going to pump to?